Well, good afternoon. It's a pleasure to be here today with engineer Hemant Deshmukh from India, who is now based and working in Germany, and who has just defended his master thesis inside our specializing master project management in construction works with BIM. His thesis is titled Integrating Laser Scan and BIM for a Water Treatment Plant, a Project Management Approach. And we are with the man today to know something about his experience in this specializing master.
Yeah, thank you so much for this opportunity uh, for doing a master's with Politecnico di Milano. And I personally believe that this master gave me quite good insights about my specialization. It not just focused on the BIM or the construction work part, but it also made me ready for the future upcoming things in this world. Like they also taught us how to do data analysis or work with some AI tools, and it was quite helpful to have a broader perspective to know about lot of softwares. It was a very good experience for me.
Thank you, man. And I know that before the beginning of the specializing master, you were working as a design engineer. Right now, instead, you have changed and you are working as a BIM coordinator. Do you think that the information and the professional tools provided by the specializing master have been helpful to you to make this change in your career?
Yes, I think to be a BIM coordinator, you need to have a knowledge of all the broad perspective of the softwares like Revit or collaborative platforms like BIM, also some unique applications like this site or Bexel Manager, because you have to manage a lot of projects. And I think this master's like project management and construction work with BIM gave me a basic knowledge and quite a detailed knowledge of all the applications, so which I can perform in my work and I can learn even more and get expertise into that.
Very good. Thank you. Finally, I have found your master thesis to be quite interesting and perfectly in line with the contents of your and the topics of your master. Would you then mind showing us some slides from your presentation, those that you think are the most interesting ones?
Yeah, sure. um, I would uh, I would like to show you this part of the slide, where we use the laser scans to create 3D models. I mean, I find it quite fascinating because one of the biggest challenge in doing the modeling part is to have a very precise measurements. And to do that, you need lot of time because in these industries where a lot of MEP and HVAC systems are installed, it's very difficult to find such measurements. So where this new we have used this new technology of laser scans, which scans the whole site and give you a 3D model. And later, this model can be used in Revit for modeling, like for the parameter modelings, and later can be, and later output is something like this. Like you get a complete model just by using the laser scan as a reference and modeling the whole big system. And the project I was working on is quite big. This is nearly 2 years project, but the project I'm working was just about heating systems. So it's it it like it is actually a big project, but it's a part of a very big project. So when you have such technologies like laser scan, it is not that difficult task for modelers or for BIM people to manage to bring the actual physical world into a digital.
I remember that you also showed a slide in which the full model was present, and it is clear how complicated, in fact, this project is. Yeah, this one in which architectural structure, map, and HVAC integrated model.
Yes,
So it is clear how complicated it is.
yeah, exactly. And it's just, I'm just showing the section view, and it is just the ground floor, but we have such 4 floors, and all the systems is connected to with each floor. So it was quite complicated, and but it was fun. I mean, PIM is like quite fascinating for people who are doing it, and also the people who want to pursue their career in.
And I also found interesting, I guess it was one of the last slides in which you showed the future development that you are thinking about. Yes, exactly, this one.
Yeah,
Could you
and this was the part of our goals, and this was our requirements too, that they want a model which they can use for AR and for IoT or the facility management systems. And later they had this idea for monitoring it for the environmental sustainability, and also use it for automation using artificial intelligence. So I mean, I can see in upcoming 5 years this whole project is running by itself. Yeah, it's quite fascinating, and I feel quite happy to be the part for the initiating team who started everything, and we made a quite strong foundation for them, so other technologies they can adapt other technologies as well.
Very well. Thank you very much, Amanda. Of course, my wish to you is that the professional tools and information that these masters try to provide will go on being useful for your professional career in the future.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye. Bye bye.